Hi all, I'm Divya Somakumar and in this video we are going to learn hyperparameter tuning of an SVM model using the Gridsearchcv. Now what exactly is hyperparameter tuning? Hyperparameter tuning is the problem of choosing a set of optimal hyperparameters for a learning algorithm. Basically, it's the process of finding the optimal value for our parameters. The parameters which can be adjusted are known as hyperparameter. In my previous video, we built a model for predicting whether a person has corona or not using the support vector machine algorithm, and we got a accuracy of around 97%. Now let's see whether we can increase this accuracy by hyperparameter tuning. For that, we will take the help of grid search CV algorithm. Now, what is this grid search CV? So basically, the grid search CV is about hyperparameter tuning and it gives out a grid of hyperparameters. First and foremost, this grid search CV takes a dictionary of parameters. So let's make a dictionary of the name para. The first element is C. Now C over here is your penalty. C is the penalty. What does penalty mean? Whenever our model makes a mistake in classifying the data points, then a penalty will be added. Higher the penalty, better our model in classifying all our data points. Lower the penalty, worse is our model in classifying all the data points. So our C goes something like this from 0.1 to 1, 10, 100 and 1000. The next parameter is gamma. Now what exactly is gamma? Basically, it controls the distance of influence of a single training point. So, a low value of gamma indicates large similarity and a high value of gamma indicates low similarity. Now, we'll write our gamma. We want gamma to become smaller and smaller. Gamma, and what are the gamma points? It will be 1, 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001. The next one is kernel. Over here, we will take the Rbf kernel. Rbf kernel is nothing but your Gaussian kernel. Rbf stands for radial basis function. Now, let's write the kernel. Rbf. From sklearn.model underscore selection, import grid search CV. From sklearn dot model underscore selection, import grid search CV. Now we'll make an object for grid search CV. Let's call it grid. Grid is equals to grid search CV. Our model is SVC, support vector classification. We'll pass the parameters. Refit equals true. Verbose equals 3. Now let's fit our model. How do we do that? We write grid dot fit xtrain ytrain. After running this, we will get all our different combinations of C and gamma and kernel and their accuracies. Now, if we want to find the best parameter out of this, how do we do that? We write grid dot best underscore params. This gives our best parameter underscore. So when the value of C, when the penalty is 10 and gamma is zero point 0.1 and kernel is Rbf, we get the highest accuracy in our model. Now we have to get the accuracy of our model. How do we do that? First we'll predict the model. Gpred equals grid dot predict x test. Now we have to find the accuracy score. How do we do that? Print accuracy underscore score y test comma gpred. We have to find the accuracy between y test and gpred. Earlier we used to find the accuracy between y test and ypred. Here we are going to find the accuracy of the best model. And let's see what's the accuracy. The accuracy has increased. So initially our accuracy was 97% and now our accuracy has increased to 98.1%. Now let's look at the classification report. Print classification underscore report y test and gpred. Now let's run this. So our precision has also increased. Initially, the precision has remained the same, but our recall has increased if you see. Initially, it was 0.93 and now it has increased to 0.96. Initially, the recall was 0.99. It has remained same at 0.99. So, the recall has increased. The accuracy has increased by 1% after hyperparameter tuning. I hope each and every one has understood how Gridsearchcv works and why hyperparameter tuning is done to increase the accuracy score. Thank you.